Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Upma mix for travel. First, let's talk about roasting the semolina. This is a super important step for a delicious and long-lasting mix. Use a heavy-bottomed pan and roast about 2 cups of coarse semolina on medium-low heat. Stir constantly for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's light golden and smells wonderful. This ensures your Upma stays fresh for weeks. Next, we'll create a flavorful spice blend. In the same pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of urad dal, and 2 teaspoons of chana dal. Fry these until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, add a few sprigs of fresh curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger for an amazing aroma. Now, it's time to combine everything. Add the roasted semolina back into the pan with the tempered spices. Mix everything very well, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed. Add about 1½ teaspoons of salt, or to your preference. You can also stir in 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts or cashews for extra texture. Let the entire mixture cool completely for at least 30 minutes. Finally, let's talk about storage and preparation. Once completely cool, transfer your homemade Upma mix into an airtight container. It will stay fresh and delicious for about 4 to 6 weeks, making it perfect for travel. To prepare, simply take 1 cup of the mix and add 2½ cups of hot water. Cook on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the water is fully absorbed. Enjoy your quick and easy Upma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.